everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is artist ammaramazari. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Meet the striking letteru, adorned with vibrant red and grey roses in this captivating alphabet art by ammaramazari. The bold red roses blooms with lush green leaves, symbolizing passion and life. contrasting grey rose adds a touch of elegance. Set against a fiery red background with sleek black outlines. This piece beautifully balances color and contrast, perfect for beginners and art lovers. This letteru showcases the timeless beauty of roses in a modern stylized form, a true testament to the charm of floral alphabet art. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more digital illustrations. Hit the bell icon for notifications. And let's spread the joy of art. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.